Bacaurea obituary. This is done. I'm not having any hopes of this coming back. I'm not gonna bother anymore. We started with 2 seeds, which both resulted in young seedlings. But yeah, we lost one last year, and now the second one is finished. This was Bacaurea angulata. This is a red one. Okay. No. This is done, and I'm not gonna bother ever again with Bacaureas. These are still green, but you see, I don't know. I'm thinking of, since one is still kind of alive, well, both of them are kind of alive, but this has more chance of developing leaves again. But these are male and female dioecious. What was the whatever was the correct term for this? It's male and female, so what? What's the point of keeping one alive? None. So both of these are going. This was, I think it was Motleyana white, yeah. But they are done, finished, game over. Our obituary continues with Plinia espirangiata. Is it done? Most probably yes. But I don't know. Myrtaceae are notorious for coming back to life. So maybe I'm not gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna keep this. One of our johores is done. This is done. I'm not gonna try and bring it back to life. This is done. This is ultra tropical, a relative of Lichis and Longan, johores, and yeah, it's finished. This was the second attempt on growing and keeping alive the Gavok. This is Syzygium polycephalum, and yeah, rest in peace, little plant. Thank you for staying with us for a whole year. I'm sorry I'm sorry I let you die, but what should have I done differently? Well, obviously I should have kept it in the small box greenhouse, and it would have stayed alive. Yeah, it would have been alive. Same goes for the johores. Same goes for the Bacaureas. If I kept them in here, they would have still been alive, and after I would have grown them up to here for another year or a year and a half or 2 years, and then move them outside, and they would have been able to handle the ambient air. But yeah, I rushed them outside and I killed them. This Puteria Caimito is also finished. Maybe leave it be. No, all of this is dry. The root system is is finished. Yeah, this is also done. Sad. We still have 3 of them alive, and I have sprayed them for all diseases and mites. So hopefully we will not lose those also. So do we have anything else for the obituary? This one, of course. This, what was this? Annona macroprophyllata. Yeah. I have been waiting a whole year to see if it's gonna develop a second growing tip or anything, but nothing. Llama. Yeah, well, we have healthy llama, so yeah, we can excuse that mistake that has cost me around 15 llamas. For this Chembedak it's not its time yet. I have sprayed 2 days ago, so we are gonna wait and see what happens with it. Something I discovered yesterday. Yesterday, you see, we are like this. It's not visible what's over there, and when I water the olosabo, I mean, I go like from this angle, so I don't see anything. Yesterday, I moved this box, and voila, and Garcinia has grown there. And most probably, this is Garcinia sp. Amazonas nova. Yeah, and it wasn't watered properly because it's on the side, and all of that. The potting mix in there is full of pumice and perlite, so it wasn't getting enough water and it was about to die. Good thing I saw it and watered it really well. For this Eugenia, of course, it's not its time yet. We are gonna leave it be. Almost at the graves step is this Doria macrophylla. No, grandiflora. Almost there. Yeah, you see, when I originally started collecting all of these, my thought was, I don't have space, but I'm gonna go above 100 species. So at the end, I mean, from the time I started, I thought 5 years from now, from all of those 100 plus 150 species, there will be at least something like 30 to 50 survivors, which is more than enough for my small garden. So I'm not too sad about this. I just feel kind of guilty because many of these I could have saved, but I neglected them. On this Montana, we grafted this llama. I have to remove the Montana branches because it looks like the plant is not distributing its energy evenly. A lot more energy is going on the Montana branches, you see. And our llama has fell back. Anyways, thank you for watching. This was our planned obituary for today. And yeah, see you on the next one.